Hey, in this video I'll show you something pretty cool, how to find nearby people on Instagram. It's basically the same thing on an iPhone and on an Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do is go on Instagram, obviously, click on the explore page or the search bar here, the magnifying glass at the bottom left corner. Pretty much you want to click on search right here and click the fourth option called places. You want to click on places and click on your current location. Select your location. For example, it's this river for me, and here you go. You can find recent photos, top photos, and people around you. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.